Antigua and Barbuda are a pair of islands located in the Caribbean Sea, off the southern coast of St. Kitts and Nevis. These beautiful islands offer a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, making them a popular destination for tourists from around the world. In this video, we will explore the rich history and culture of Antigua and Barbuda, as well as the many attractions and activities that make these islands such a special place to visit. We encourage you to watch the entire video to learn more about this fascinating corner of the Caribbean. Antigua and Barbuda have a long and fascinating history dating back to the pre-Columbian era. The islands were first settled by the indigenous Arawak and Carib people, and were later discovered by European explorers in the 15th century. In 1632, the islands were claimed by the British and became a colony, a status they maintained for over 350 years. During this time, Antigua and Barbuda were an important hub for the British sugar and slave trade, and the island's economy and society were deeply shaped by these industries. In the 20th century, Antigua and Barbuda began to push for greater autonomy and independence from Britain. After a long struggle, the islands finally gained their independence in 1981. Today, Antigua and Barbuda are a sovereign nation and a member of the British Commonwealth. Despite the challenges they have faced, the people of Antigua and Barbuda have a strong sense of national identity and pride in their history and culture. Antigua and Barbuda have a rich and diverse culture that has been shaped by a mix of African, Caribbean, and European influences. This cultural blend is reflected in the island's music, dance, and cuisine, which all have their own unique character and flavor. Music is an important part of Antiguan and Barbudan culture, with a variety of local styles and traditions. Calypso, soca, and reggae are popular genres, and steelpan music is also a prominent feature of the island's music scene. Antigua and Barbuda are also home to a number of talented musicians and bands, many of whom have gained international fame. Dance is another integral part of Antiguan and Barbudan culture, with a variety of traditional styles and modern influences. The island's national dance is the Bena, a lively folk dance that originated in the early 19th century. Other popular dances include the ring play, a traditional African-influenced dance, and various Latin and ballroom styles. Antiguan and Barbudan cuisine is a blend of African, Caribbean, and European flavors, with a heavy emphasis on seafood. Grilled or fried fish, lobster, and conch are common dishes, and the islands are also known for their delicious fruit, such as mangoes, papayas, and pineapples. Rice and beans, a staple of many Caribbean cuisines, is also a popular dish in Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda are popular tourist destinations for a number of reasons. The islands are known for their beautiful beaches, with over 365 of them to choose from, one for every day of the year. These sandy stretches are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports, and many of them have been rated as some of the best in the world. In addition to their stunning beaches, Antigua and Barbuda are home to a number of other attractions and landmarks that draw visitors from around the globe. Historical sites such as Nelson's Dockyard, a former British naval base, and the Museum of Antigua and Barbuda, which traces the island's history from pre-Columbian times to the present, are popular destinations for history buffs. The islands also offer a range of natural wonders, including rainforests, waterfalls, and underground caves. The Devil's Bridge, a natural arch formed by centuries of wave erosion, is a particularly popular spot for visitors. Overall, Antigua and Barbuda offer a rich and diverse range of attractions and activities that make them a popular destination for tourists from around the world. Antigua and Barbuda's economy is largely driven by tourism, which is the country's largest industry. The island's warm, sunny climate, beautiful beaches, and wide range of attractions and activities make them a popular destination for travelers from around the world. The tourism industry employs a significant portion of the Antiguan and Barbudan workforce and generates significant revenue for the country. Agriculture is also an important sector of the Antiguan and Barbudan economy, with crops such as sugarcane, cotton, and rice being major export products. The islands are also home to a number of small-scale farmers who produce a variety of fruits and vegetables for local consumption. Manufacturing is another key industry in Antigua and Barbuda, with products such as clothing, textiles, and electronics being produced for both local and international markets. Like many small island economies, Antigua and Barbuda face a number of challenges and opportunities. The country's reliance on a single industry, tourism, makes it vulnerable to economic downturns and natural disasters, such as hurricanes. On the other hand, the country's strategic location in the Caribbean and strong relations with other countries offer opportunities for trade and investment. Antigua and Barbuda are also working to diversify their economy and invest in new sectors, such as renewable energy, to reduce their reliance on traditional industries. In conclusion, Antigua and Barbuda are a pair of beautiful Caribbean islands with a rich history and diverse culture. From their stunning beaches and natural wonders to their unique blend of African, Caribbean, and European influences, these islands have much to offer visitors and residents alike. The economy of Antigua and Barbuda is driven by tourism, agriculture, and manufacturing, and the country faces both challenges and opportunities as it looks to the future. Thank you for watching this video on Antigua and Barbuda. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel and checking out our other videos. There is so much more to discover about these fascinating islands, and we hope you will join us as we explore all that they have to offer. So, please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting content.